is lying next to my window, started to see how world was changing, and I am still the same story. Oh, it's dark, you need my guiding light. Deep inside I know it's coming back. In my thoughts, you can't read me, I don't mind. But you might find some answers you won't like. See me, fix me, love me.